From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Elliott.
And I'm student meteorologist Gabe Keller.
Here with the short-term forecast and video discussion issued on Monday, August 26th. Well, Gabe, summer's over. It's the start of the semester, but you know what? It still feels like it out there, doesn't it?
Yep, we're looking forward to a great semester, but I'm not quite ready to let go of the summer warmth. And we're sure getting it today and most of the rest of this week.
Yeah, we really are. It looks like we're going to be back in the 90s perhaps as early as tomorrow and definitely Wednesday. So still got a bit more heat left to deal with.
That might be a little bit too hot.
Yeah.
Not ready for winter yet either.
Yep, neither am I. I love the heat, as everyone knows. So let's jump right on into things here. And Gabe, take us through the climatology.
All right, so today's forecasted high is 88 degrees, which is a little bit above our normal high of 83 degrees for the day. This morning's low was 63 degrees, a little bit above our average low of 59 degrees. And the record high for today is 94, most recently set in 1975. And the record low is a chilly 44 degrees set back in 1944. Taking a look at the sky cam from the John Wright's restaurant, looking east over the Susquehanna River into Lancaster County, you can see a really nice day out there. A little bit of mid to high level clouds, but other than that, we are enjoying abundant sunshine out there for the first walk around campus for Millersville students. And looking at the satellite, you can see it's mostly clear. We have a little bit of clouds and showers and maybe even a thunderstorm off to our west, but that is just going to slide to the south-southeast and not really threaten the lower Susquehanna Valley at all today. And taking a look at the radar, you can see the heavier showers. Like I said, they're going to move south, not really a threat to anybody in the lower Susquehanna Valley today, and we're going to enjoy a very nice day out there.
So jumping right on into the models as we take a look at the Euro for 8 p.m. this evening. So the big dominant feature here over the next 48 to 72 hours is this essentially what we call a heat dome, or this large upper level ridge of high pressure. It's essentially centered over the Ohio and Tennessee valleys and even parts of the central Appalachians. That will gradually shift a little bit farther east over the next 48 hours. But with high pressure in control, again, other than maybe a stray shower in parts of western Franklin County, it's looking like a dry day and a dry night. Skies are going to be mainly clear. High temperatures this afternoon will generally be in the mid to upper 80s. You will notice it is a bit more humid out there, but not really oppressively so, with dew points only generally in the mid to upper 60s throughout the rest of the day. And tonight, lows look rather comfortable for this time of the year, back in the low to mid 60s. So as we move forward then into Tuesday afternoon, that high pressure is essentially in the exact same spot it is this evening, so winds on tomorrow are going to turn southwesterly. So as a result, it will turn slightly hotter and a bit more humid, but really Wednesday is going to be the oppressively hot day. There's going to be this cold front that's going to be sagging southward through southern New England, and that will ultimately sag through the Commonwealth from Wednesday afternoon into Thursday morning. So to the south of that front, you're going to have compressional warming, and you're also going to have a continuation of southwesterly flow. So with that being said, Wednesday does look like the hottest day of the week. Highs should generally be in the mid-90s. Dew points will be back up in the low 70s, so heat indices could reach 100 to 102 degrees for a few hours Wednesday afternoon. So with that dangerous heat and humidity in place, remember to drink plenty of fluids, take frequent breaks in an air-conditioned room or building, and wear light-colored and loose-fitting clothing to minimize the risk of heat-related illnesses. Now, that front could also trigger some scattered showers and thunderstorms later Wednesday afternoon and evening, but right now it appears that the severe weather threat is going to be greatest along north of Interstate 80. I won't rule out, a strong wind gust in far northern parts of the lower Susquehanna Valley Wednesday evening, but I really think that the severe weather threat is mainly north of the valley from Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday evening. And by Thursday, that cold front's going to weaken and essentially stall out along the Mason-Dixon line. So with much of that energy already offshore, there could be a few scattered showers and storms later Wednesday night into Thursday, but the severe weather threat looks a lot more marginal on Thursday. So taking a look at the short-term Campus Weather Service forecast, very warm with sunshine. Well, that's for today, very warm with sunshine and a few afternoon clouds. High 88. Tonight it's going to be mainly clear and comfortable with a low of 62. Mostly sunny and hot on Tuesday, high 90. Partly sunny, very hot and oppressively humid on Wednesday with a high of 95. Well, that'll do it for this edition of the short-term forecast. I hope everyone has a great start to the semester. And remember, stay cool out there over the next couple of days.